Should we go get that snack?
Yeah.
Okay, normally we don't get snacks, but we're all out of our fruit bars, and this is one of our favorites. Right here. It's like fruit leather, except thicker, more fun. Do you like these better than fruit leathers?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Because this is a business Costco, they've got all of this gum here. It's a huge selection of gum, and lately I've been eating gum, so this is perfect. Not only have I been eating gum, the girls also do too. What?
That's not spicy.
That's not spicy? Oh, that's not the spicy one? Okay.
I can eat that.
You can eat that one?
Yes. It's strawberry.
It's strawberry?
Yeah.
Alright. We need more garbage bags?
For the kitchen.
Okay. And milk?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Green grapes.
Can you remember that? Green grapes?
Say that.
Love you.
I love you too. Bye. Okay, this is interesting. Look at this. So this whole box or package costs $11.49, but the retail value is 20 bucks. So you already see that you're saving 8 bucks on this. That's what I'm talking about. The box that I bought, $9.99 for this whole thing, which is a really good deal. Not only is there a bigger selection here at Costco, even though they are missing certain things. Oh yeah, Swedish fish. But you save more money because of volume. See, the thing about business Costco, to me, it's what you would imagine Costco was supposed. Yeah, ring pops.
Yeah.
This is a bad aisle to be in with you.
I like ring pops.
Oh, you love ring
Yeah.
pops? Yeah, I know. All kids do. But what I was saying is, business Costco is what you would think Costco is. Wholesaler. That's maybe what it was originally, and then it became this whole just for everybody thing. Now, don't get me wrong. I love Costco. We shop here quite a bit. It's just that business Costco's are actually way better in my opinion, and way less busy, and not as tempting. The only thing is, thank you to one of the commenters, there isn't rotisserie chicken.
No.
You don't like the rotisserie chicken?
No. Yeah.
Do you like kisses from daddy?
No.
My friend said he bought these for his kids and he's loving them. Should we get these too? What do you think?
I know what's
It's
that?
yogurt covered strawberry thingies.
I know what that.
Well, we're gonna try it because my friend Sean said he feeds his kids this. It's
It's
made with real fruit though, and yogurt.
I don't want to eat that.
Okay, then Bella will eat it.
But my
Seems like it could be healthy. So one reason I don't come here more often though is because it is kind of far from our house, but we're on the way to Seattle to pick up a friend, so I thought why not stop by here. Normally we shop at our local Costco, but this one was on the way, so it's convenient. But more and more I'm looking for excuses to shop here. Uh-oh, more snacks. Nutella on the go. Oh, do they have this at a regular Costco? I don't know. Are your eyes looking at it right now? Huh? She's in love. I've never seen this before. Pretzel Nutella snacks. Okay, what's going on here? Is it Nutella day or something? Nutella be ready. It's like a breakfast bar or something? Crispy wafer filled with Nutella hazelnut spread with cocoa. Or is it just a straight up snack? Huh, see what I'm saying? There's all kinds of different things here. See, the thing is they don't have prepared foods. They don't have the rotisserie chicken. They don't have maybe, salad kits. Or when I say salad kits, they have maybe the packaged salad, but they don't have the one that comes from the deli. But does a regular Costco have this? Knott's Berry Farm raspberry shortbread? Hey, everybody knows the truth. It's all about that jam.
I don't like that.
You don't like that?
Mm-mm.
Come on. What about this one? Do you like the strawberry one?
No. I don't eat that anymore.
You don't eat that anymore?
No.
What, you too old for it? You too mature for it?
Yeah.
Okay, I see how it is. Okay, I know what Leah would love. Hey, do you know what this is right here? What is this? What is this?
I like it.
Okay, they probably have this at a normal Costco. How many? There's 8 packages in here. It's
Like
$8,
that?
so $1
Can
each.
I buy that?
We already got a snack, girl.
Hungry.
Gosh, you know what? Daddy's so lucky he's disciplined because you're so cute that I'm tempted to buy everything because how cute you are, okay? To give you an idea how much more snacks they have, this whole middle section is normally closed, but guess what? It's stacked full of snacks. I don't buy Costco clothes, not because I don't like it, it's just that's not what I go to Costco for. But this whole section, would be full of clothes and other merchandise and things to tempt you. No, it's full of snacks. So sometimes when I go grocery shopping, I will feature snacks.
Popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn. This would be a good place to just do a best snacks at Costco. What?
Popcorn for movie night.
Oh, popcorn for movie night?
Yeah.
But you know, Daddy likes to make popcorn from scratch with real butter.
No, not for fun.
You don't like Daddy's popcorn?
Yeah.
With the Parmesan cheese in it?
But I just for up.
Okay, no, you don't. She used to throw up when she ate popcorn. Not anymore. Something you don't see at a regular Costco. Huge boxes of Cheetos. So they got you with the regular classic Cheetos. 50 bags. Only Cheetos. So for Cheeto lovers, no, this is not spicy. For Cheeto lovers, this is awesome. And then they got you with the Flamin' Hot too. 50 bags. See, that's what I'm saying. Everybody knows you get these variety packs at Costco, but sometimes there's one or two flavors that you don't like. Here, you can get a box full of the one flavor you love. Hey, see, like this right here? More boxes. Look, you like the Cool Ranch Doritos?
Daddy,
Business Costco got you. What?
We don't have no more.
You like just the nacho cheese ones? Right here. Cheddar and sour cream. Whole box is cheddar and sour cream. Me?
I want that one, the blue
I'm all
one.
about this one.
The blue one.
You don't like the blue one?
Yeah.
You like the Cheeto Puffs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this, okay? Alright, we'll get this one, okay? Because Daddy likes the Funyuns. And I know the girls love the Flamin' Hots. So, here we go. Hey, can you carry this, please?
It's too heavy.
Oh, it's too heavy for you? Okay. Even the variety packs, there's different options. I've never seen this before. Chili, limon, chili and lime, turbos, flamas. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I was going to talk about different deals you get at Business Costco. Now it's just turned into snacks at Costco.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. Flamin' Hot Cheetos, Flamin' Hot Nacho Cheese Doritos, Flamin' Hot Limon Cheetos, Flamin' Hot Limon Doritos, Flamin' Hot Funyuns. This is a rare find, but amazing. And then Flamin' Hot Fries. I love these Hawaiian brand chips too. I'm all about that luau barbecue. Jalapeno. Oh, they got it all. I'm telling you. I talked about that aisle with the one flavor boxes, but even the variety packs, hella options. Hey, I have some really bad news. There's no samples at this Costco, so we're gonna just have to go buy a snack. I know. It's a sad life. Even this, I've seen this before, but this is not very common around here. Zaps. Tell me, where is it from? Is it New Orleans? Maybe the South? Drinks even. Tons of options. These are all coffee drinks. Over here, tons and tons and tons of energy drinks. If you're into energy drinks, they have every flavor, every single brand. So what is this? Is this NOS? I don't know what this is. I don't drink energy drinks, but they got a lot here. Monster energy drinks. Look at that. I'm gonna count right now. So way over there, there's some kind of coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 monster drink flavors. Tell me what Costco has that. I've only drank this a few times, but this is interesting. This is juice that comes from I believe the fruit of the coffee bean. So in a coffee bean, when it grows, it has some kind of fruity flesh around it, and they make juice out of it. So it's got kind of a natural caffeine, and it is really good. Really not very busy at all. Okay, so we don't drink a lot of soda, but so these are smaller cans, 7.5 ounces. So it's not quite half, but it's about 2/3. And what's nice about this is when you're serving guests, it's nice to just have a small can in different options. And look, cherry Coke. So that's actually pretty cool that they have that here. And I don't believe I've ever seen that at a normal Costco before. I think I might get that for guests. Not for me, for guests. You and your sisters, you guys don't like soda, right?
Yeah, I like.
Oh, you like soda? Who gives you?
I like orange soda.
Who gives you soda? Nobody gives you soda.
Yeah, I want.
Do you
soda.
secretly drink soda?
Yeah.
Who gives it to you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I
Okay.
like soda.
If you're a fan of Canada Dry, not only do they have a pack of that, they've got these variety packs with different flavors. Ginger ale and raspberry lemonade, and then ginger ale and lemonade. Only place I've ever seen anything like this. Obviously, this is mainly for business owners. It's open to anybody, but you see business owners buying these products for their business. That's why they have them. That's why they don't have them at a normal Costco, because maybe it's not going to be as in demand. But funny enough, how many of us would love some of these options at our own Costco? So that's why you kind of have to find a business Costco around you and go check it out once or twice. Outside of sparkling water, which is usually the one thing I do buy when it comes to drinks, is this multi-pack of glass bottled soda. They got the orange Fanta. They got Sprite in a glass bottle, which is very rare. I don't think I've ever drank Sprite out of a glass bottle. And then of course they got Mexican Coke. So if I had more room in my garage, I would totally buy this. Should we buy mango juice?
Yeah.
All right, let's get one of these. Of course, they've got all the regular products that you'd see or normally see, like mango nectar. This is one of our favorites. I think we should get a different kind of juice though. What do you think?
No.
No?
This one.
You like this one?
I like this one.
Okay, you like this one? Okay.
Yeah.
It's always nice having Leah here because she makes sure to remind me what we like and what her sister's like. Thank you, Leah. I really appreciate your help. All right, let's count the coconut waters. They got the Kirkland brand. They got the Vita Coco brand. They got the C2O brand. They got, oh, and then that's it. So 3 brands of coconut water. Personally, I like the San Pellegrino in these smaller bottles. Judah likes Topo Chico, but I like this for when you don't feel like opening a whole bottle of Topo Chico. So this is what I always get when I come here to business Costco. I'm sure if you're a fan of Topo Chico, you already know this, but Topo Chico has a freakish amount of bubbles and it's super strong. And it seems to me that it holds its fizz for a very long time, even after you open it. I'll bring one up to Judy at night. She wants her bubbles. She opens it up. She usually doesn't drink the whole thing, but you know, we usually drink the rest of it the next day. And in the morning when I wake up, sometimes I'm drinking it thinking, oh, it's probably lost its fizz. Nope. It is just as bubbly in the morning, even if you left it open all night. Topo Chico, what's your secret? We need to get oranges?
Yeah.
All right, let's get oranges. Thank you for reminding Daddy.
One.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's go get those. Leah says we need some oranges. You guys like these oranges right here?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get a pack of these. Inspect them. Hey, you want to eat one in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Judy specifically asked for green grapes. You want green grapes?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm not moving.
Blueberries. Oh yeah, let's go look for blueberries. By the way, if you're gonna come to a business Costco, the fridge section is really a huge part of the Costco. So get ready for it to be cold. It's so cold that I would have a jacket. I brought her jacket in here because you have to walk through this whole section of the business Costco to get a lot of the produce. This is the milk we always get right here because we drink a lot of milk, girl. Mommy needs milk too for her coffees. You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, let's do it together. Oh, we gotta go over here. Come on, let's go to the side. Normally you'd see the meat all displayed. Here it's inside the walk-in cooler. So the dairy, the refrigerated produce, the protein, and all the things that are normally in those stand-up fridges are in this big walk-in cooler. And that's why you need to bring a jacket. Oh yeah, Go-Gurts. We're not doing that today. Okay, okay. Look at this. This is yogurt. This whole thing is yogurt. It is yogurt.
No.
This huge thing is yogurt. Look at this. That's pretty crazy. No, this is.
It's not.
It's all yogurt.
I did. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. It's so cold in here.
I don't like it.
She doesn't like this Costco. No, to parents. Kids don't like this Costco.
Pizza.
What, mac and cheese?
Yeah.
We have mac and cheese at home.
But we don't have no more.
I just said we have mac and cheese at home. Okay, so these girls, they get Wagyu steaks. They get some of the best,
Daddy.
you know, quality meats, fried chicken, made from organic chicken with some really nice oil. I don't know. They get some amazing protein in their life, yet this is one of their favorites of all time.
Mama
always buy this?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I don't know what it is, but kids just love these Vienna sausages. What is it about Vienna sausages? I'm not really a big fan, but the kids love it. And you know, honestly, I know you like it. That's why I'm gonna get it. It might have something to do with the fact that Mama fed this to them. And just with rice, they could eat this and rice. And I know this ain't the most healthy thing, but once in a while, it's not a big deal. Do they sell Vienna sausages at normal Costco's?
Daddy?
Yes?
Mama, you should make that for what?
For lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll see. How did Mama cook it? What did you guys eat sausage with?
Oh, I really rice.
With rice? And what did you put on the rice?
Nothing. It was just rice.
Oh, just rice?
Rice.
Just rice and Vienna sausages?
Yeah.
Okay. I always make a mistake of getting the Go-Go Squeeze stuff, and I guess the kids are not a big fan. They specifically like the Kirkland brand, so that's the one we're gonna get right here. Kirkland brand applesauce in these little packets.
Daddy?
I've never seen a big box of Pop-Tarts like this. Growing up, I love Pop-Tarts. I didn't get it very often. I was not a big fan of this one though, brown sugar cinnamon. This is definitely nostalgic for the girls when we travel. Give the receipt over there. Thank you very much.